At the 2024 SEMA Show, one of the standout stars was the stunning Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R, a legendary build that has car enthusiasts buzzing. This iconic car, often regarded as one of the best Japanese performance cars ever made, was on full display with a jaw-dropping combination of aggressive styling and enhanced performance, courtesy of the skilled builders at Built by Legends. The Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 in its Bayside Blue livery has long been a symbol of speed, precision, and motorsport excellence. It's a car that evokes nostalgia among enthusiasts, especially those familiar with its starring role in the Fast and Furious franchise. But at SEMA 2024, the Skyline GT-R wasn't just a blast from the past, it was a masterfully modernized creation that combines the best of old-school performance with cutting-edge technology. What makes this Bayside Blue Skyline GT-R truly remarkable is its meticulous build process. Crafted by Built by Legends, a renowned performance and restoration company, the car showcases exceptional attention to detail. The iconic Bayside Blue paint shines brightly, but it's not just about looks. Beneath the striking exterior, the car has undergone serious upgrades to make it more than just a showpiece. The team at Built by Legends has made sure that this Skyline GT-R delivers even more power, precision, and performance. The car is powered by a fully built RB26DETT engine, the heart of the Skyline GT-R, which has been tuned for even greater output, ensuring this car can tear up the track as effortlessly as it turns heads. The build includes a custom turbo setup, a strengthened drivetrain, and upgraded suspension, all designed to enhance handling and stability at high speeds. The combination of these performance upgrades makes this Skyline GT-R a true monster on the road and track. Inside, the car features a racing-inspired interior, with bucket seats, high-end gauges, and custom trim that reflect the performance spirit of the vehicle. From the meticulously crafted engine bay to the perfectly tuned exhaust note, everything about this car is designed to evoke excitement and adrenaline. At SEMA 2024, this Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R Built by Legends proves that the Skyline's legendary status is alive and well, combining classic Japanese engineering with modern tuning to create something truly spectacular.